Hi there, and welcome to Storytime with Kay. Today we will read Cars Racing for Good by Ruth Homberg and illustrated by the Disney Storybook Art Team. This book was published by Random House in 2014. Lightning McQueen is a race car. Jeff Gorvette is a race car too. They are good friends. Lightning and Jeff have an idea. They will have a special race. They will raise money to help old cars. It is a race for good. Race day is here. Chick Hicks comes. Lots of cars are excited to race. Chick does not want to race for good. He wants to win money. Chick thinks he is the fastest car. He wants to win no matter what. The cars line up. Lightning and Francesco are ready. They wish each other luck. Ready, set, go! The race starts. The cars zoom around the track. Racing is fun. Who will win? The cars go fast. The crowd cheers. Francesco is in first place. Lightning is in second place. Chick zooms ahead. He passes Nigel. Bash! Chick bashes cars out of his way. Chick rams Francesco. Francesco swerves. Crash! Chick hits the wall. Can he still win? Jeff and Lightning wink at each other. They let Chick pass them. He crosses the finish line. Chick wins the race. He cannot wait to get his prize. Chick drives onto the stage. He will not keep the prize money. Jeff and Lightning will use it to help older cars. Lightning and Jeff thank Chick for racing for good. Chick is mad. He wants to keep the prize money. Francesco cheers. He did not win, but he likes to help others. Lizzie thanks Chick. His prize money will help her friends. Chick speeds away. Lightning and Jeff are happy they helped others. A race for good is the best kind of race. Everyone wins. The end. Thank you for reading along. Be sure to rate and follow us for new episodes posted daily.